Thank you for the introduction, and a warm welcome from New York State to everyone that is listening in. My name is Ali Mohammed. I am the Senior Director for Digital Innovation and Transformation, a group that is focused on implementing innovative technologies through our Advanced Grid Innovation Lab for Energy, which is Agile, R&D, Digital Workforce, and the Digital Transformation Office. It is a balance of investing in people, improving processes, and leveraging technology. It is my pleasure to be with you today to share NYPA's history and how we are working toward becoming the first end-to-end digital utility. So who's NYPA? NYPA is the nation's largest state public power organization, producing over 6,000 megawatts from 16 generation facilities. Over 83% of NYPA's generation is derived from renewable sources, which help to support thousands of jobs statewide while reducing public sector costs. 75% of the power we produce comes from hydro, such as our infamous 2,700 megawatt Niagara power project. We also own about one third of the high voltage transmission system in the state. Think of it as the backbone of New York's electric transmission infrastructure. We are a leader among New York's electricity suppliers and a national leader in promoting energy efficiency, the development of clean energy technologies, and electric vehicles with between $200 million and $300 million in energy services work a year. Talking about our customers and mission, the electric that supplies our subways, government buildings, and universities, that's NYPA. Powering economic development, manufacturing plants, and industry, and also creating jobs, that's NYPA. 51 munis and co-ops, that's NYPA. Empowering New York for over 85 years, NYPA's mission is to power economic growth across the state by providing our customers with low-cost, clean, reliable energy and innovative energy infrastructure and the services they value. In 2014, NYPA embarked on this ambitious journey to be the first end-to-end digital utility, with a goal to create the grid of the future. At the heart of this transformation were the following. The first one, establishing new products and services that empower our customers to take greater accountability for the management of their energy needs. The second is the modernization of our assets, both generation and transmission, to provide an adaptable and responsive electric backbone for changing energy requirements. The third, the reimagining of the NYPA organization in order to operate effectively on behalf of our customers and an increasingly changing energy system. In support of this, 6 strategic initiatives were created that span the breadth of NYPA's organization to develop and use digital twins of our transmission infrastructure, generation assets, and customer assets, and automating many of our back office processes, starting with the workforce planning, knowledge management, and process excellence that are more internal looking. The next layer of the pyramid is infrastructure modernization and the associated smart generation and transmission and asset management initiatives. And mostly and most importantly, at the top of the pyramid, ensuring customer success. Let me explain how our 3 digital hubs form the backbone of our digitization efforts and a platform from which to ensure we play a critical role for our customers and the state. The first one is the New York Energy Manager, NIAM, which is NYPA's digital energy service for our customers, providing real-time visualized data on energy use. This data will help NYPA work with its customers to drive insights that improve building energy performance, lower energy bills, and also integrate distributed resources. The second one is the ISOC, which is the Integrated Smart Operations Center, which plays an instrument role in delivering improved asset performance by coordinating the efficient deployment and operation of powerful predictive analytics software, coupled with, coupled with intelligent devices to drive asset lifecycle decision-making processes and also standardizing asset performance management procedures. And the last one is the Agile Lab, which is Advanced Grid Innovation Lab for Energy, which is New York's first electric power research facility using big data analytics to stimulate, simulate, deploy, develop, and integrate the next generation electric grid and position New York State as a leader in electric grid research. There were some key initiatives from Vision 2020 that helped NYPA advance its digital maturity across the organization. Now, let's talk about energy transition and grid of the future. We know that the market is changing, the customer needs are changing, and we envision that New York State's electric grid of the future accommodates many functionalities. So we at NYPA are changing to meet those needs. Because the grid of the future will be more distributed, more complex, and less controllable, while focusing on modernizing the electric grid, integrating distributed generation and storage, smart city applications, and smart home technology, to name a few, that relies on a secure, reliable, and a robust communications network. Realizing the changing landscape and understanding today's challenges we face, like one, keeping the systems resilient and protected from new and heightened risks. Two, monitor and control the grid and enable streamlined communications and automation. Balancing intermittent supply and demand while integrating distributed resources. And the last one is preparing our workforce and enabling the right capabilities. NYPA has recently announced its Vision 2030 with key five strategic priorities. The first one is preserve and enhance the value of hydropower, pioneer the path to decarbonize natural gas plants, be the leading transmission developer, owner, and operator of the New York State, partner with our customers and the state to meet their energy goals, and finally reimagine the New York State canal system for economic and recreational benefit. And the following foundational pillars that cut across these strategic priorities are digitization, ESG, DEI, enterprise resilience, and resource alignment. NYPA also recently completed its digital strategy refresh, and here's a little sneak peek of the digitization pillar. Taking all the lessons learned from Vision 2020 and all the investments made in foundational digital infrastructure, the digital vision is now to leverage connectivity, analytics, and emerging technologies to optimize our assets, both physical and data, enable our workforce, and empower our customers. By doing so, and by applying the latest technology in data analytics, machine learning, and data visualization, we can really drive and optimize the productivity of our assets and partner with our customers to help them reduce costs and improve the way they serve their customers. We are creating an innovative ecosystem to work side by side with our customers and our external partners to create and deliver value from our digital investments to date. Building a data driven culture to gain actionable insights that inform decision making. Third, a digital utility that creates a new business model and transforms the customer experience and measures to our success based on the success of our customers. In order to advance our goal, we will focus on project execution and performance, refining our operating model, and transforming the culture of our organization with a clear strategy to one, implement a clear digital roadmap to strengthen and improve the organization's ability to drive digitization and measure progress across the organization. Continued success with delivering projects through a digital program driven approach. The second one is reinforce a single process of how capabilities are delivered across the organization. Under this model, we will use agile methodologies to deliver products and services to customers more quickly. And finally, embedding change management into digital initiative lifecycle beyond communications and impact assessment to more of reskilling, training, and enablement, empowering individual ownership, and increasing accountability of execution. Through our digital worker program, we have put intelligent devices in the hands of our employees. These devices allow them to access information when and where they need it. In addition, devices such as 3D cameras and drones that allow remote equipment inspections and virtual site walkdowns allow work to be done safely and efficiently. These tools allowed us to continue critical work while adhering to CDC guidelines during the pandemic in 2020. We will build on this progress and deliver applications and tools that bring data and the power of automation and analytics to employees where they work. We will foster a culture of innovation and incubate emerging technologies that will accelerate our growth. And of course, we will do this securely, ensuring that we focus on cyber threats and data protection. This concept is manifested in our new three digital hubs, allowing NYPA to analyze and improve their performance in near real time. The first one is building an end-to-end connectivity with deploying foundational infrastructure to build a secure, robust, and a reliable network for data transfer, which includes fiber optics, microwave networks, the new Wi-Fi 6, as well as a private LTE and 5G technology. The second one is to stand up an automation center of excellence with a focus on increasing NYPA's automation and self-service capabilities, along with improving operational efficiency, and an analytics center of excellence to rationalize current analytics systems and standardize the associated data, deploying methods of analysis of unstructured data, for example, a drone image data. And the third one is to stand up an innovation lab to drive enterprise level incubation capability and prototype solutions to demonstrate business value. These programs will help NYPA take the necessary steps in achieving our aim of leading the energy transformation, while also making sure we continue to excel the energy industry of today. Why New York? For NYPA, this story is about coming back to our roots. It all began in New York. In 1882, Thomas Edison built the first power plant in Lower Manhattan, and Nikola Tesla enabled the long-distance transmission of electricity 22 miles from Niagara Falls to Buffalo. We had the opportunity of a lifetime to transform the grid of today into a digitized, intelligent energy network of the future for the benefit of all. Thank you.